I, Oscar, promise my love to you, Bree, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most beautiful, kind, loving, caring and generous person I have ever known. And I promise to always love and respect you and love you. I take you, Bree, to be my lawful wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poor, in sickness and in health, for as long as we shall both live.
I, Bree, promise my love to you, Oscar, as I invite you to share my life. You are the most adventurous, hardworking, intelligent and gentle person I've ever known, and I promise always to respect and love you. I take you, Oscar, to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, for as long as we both shall live.
Shine, 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 well, I can see them under the vine. But
Welcome, family and friends. We are here today to celebrate the marriage of Oscar and Bree, two people who from this day onwards will spend their lives together as one. Oscar and Bree, with the promises you make today, you commit to one another for life and to the sharing of life's experiences. This commitment includes a promise to respect and understand one another's ideas, dreams and ambitions. Try in your marriage, Oscar and Bree, with all the strength you have to support the other in difficult times. Take the time to celebrate and share the joy of good times, and above all, cherish your partner as a unique and special individual. Oscar, with this ring, I ask you to be my husband.
I ask you to be my husband,
To be with me wherever life leads us.
wherever life leads us,
To be my partner forever.
to be my partner forever.
Will you accept this ring as a sign of my love?
Will you accept this ring as a sign of my love?
I do.
Bree, with this ring,
Bree, with this ring,
I ask you to be my wife.
I ask you to be my wife,
To be with me
to be with me
wherever life leads us.
wherever life leads us,
To be my partner forever.
to be my partner forever.
Will you accept this ring as a sign of my love?
Will you accept this ring as a sign of my love?
I do.
Oscar and Bree, now that you have stood before me and these witnesses, exchange these rings and these vows, and having agreed to be married, it gives me great pleasure to announce that you are now husband and wife. Congratulations, Oscar, you may kiss your bride.